Straight from Utah. What's up?
Local decided to join us.
I missed you, buddy.
Gay.
What's up, dog?
What up?
A lot of lake activities this weekend.
Yep.
Father's Day. How was Father's Day?
Who?
How was your Father's Day? It looked like Lake Adventures.
I can't hear a word you're saying with this turbine.
Lake Adventures, Father's
Lake
Day.
Adventures. Great. Barbecue.
Did you guys stay out there like overnight? How was that?
Good.
No sheepy tomorrow, but maybe Thursday?
I need to call Sean and tell him I changed plans.
Yeah. Update. Okay, bye. Look, guys. He's the car. Man, I miss this car. And I miss the event. Sad times. All the sponsors. Law Office. Street Rivals. Clutch Master. A Solutions. Hawkins Vision. AT Customs. Lux
I
Savani.
am so excited. Bro.
He's so excited.
Oh, he's filming this.
Oh my
I'm just
God.
telling Alex how excited I am to turn the gay boy shit off of my car.
Oh, the Orville Redenbacher mod?
He wanted me to be like full boy status. And then, bro, I had a BMW, a Subaru, and a Honda pull up next to me doing the same shit. And I'm like, this is not.
Okay, we're over this shit.
We are definitely over.
Hey, we need to go eat some tacos when we're there, bro.
Bro.
What? What'd he say? This guy walked away.
He said he only goes there on Tuesdays, but since we're coming on Thursday, he's going to change his schedule.
Okay, all right.
Perfect.
Thursday, Taco Thursday.
Yeah. All right, brother. Thank you.
Tacos, turbos, and titties? No, no titties.
Unless your titties are hanging out, there's no titties.
What are we doing?
We're going to Vegas Auto Gallery.
Why?
We're looking for a man.
Oh, great.
I'm going to leave my shop on. Collect the packages.
Holy.
Swine flu.
Hold on, let me get my camera. I'm so sick of my allergies. Get this, because I don't know how long this lasts for. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, put my iPad in there when you...
All right, well, let's go to Vegas Auto Gallery. Hey, look, guys. George is really rich.
Yeah, that's baller shit right there.
Can you please put your seatbelt on?
Yeah, I know.
Gosh.
Can you move the camera so I can see?
I still got the camera going. This is
Good.
going to be fun, bro. I'm going to catch you in your abusive ways and exploit you for money since you're so rich.
You ain't getting shit from me.
So what are we going to look at? Hardcore copyright right now.
I don't know why the Can you move the camera before you get us killed? Or I wreck my car? Cocksucker.
Gosh, you were so grumpy.
Oh. Yeah, sorry I don't want to wreck my $200,000 car.
Anyways.
There.
Oh yeah, this works. Perfect.
Yeah, now I can see my mirror.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
How's the side profile?
Looking nice. Looking very nice.
We're going to look at a Z06.
At Vegas Auto Gallery.
Yeah.
If they won't let me bring the camera in, I'll just record with the glasses.
That's right. Stealth mode.
Stealth mode.
Yay.
Oh man. Vegas Auto Gallery. Home of the G-Wagon and Urus.
And ugly Mustangs.
Oh, I'm not sure if that one was bought here. Could be wrong though.
God.
Let's see how this goes. I think you have to have an appointment. Oh look, same color. Ooh, it's a perf too.
What is it? Orange. It looks the same, but a little bit different from mine. Mine's older.
What's up, man? Daniel.
Daniel,
What's up? Oh, a pair of sunglasses. Thank you. You mind if we film?
I don't want to be on camera, but yeah.
Oh, okay. 3LZ. This is sick. Oh man, that's a dream car right there, fellas. George is like, hey, you need some help? Need some help there, bud? Got the translucent top, dude.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. There's no to spend money on a compressor.
Yeah.
What? Just one more thing to break. You just pop this thing off.
Yeah, and that's sick. I like that. Doesn't it like tint automatically or something with a button push? Could be wrong.
Naturally discolored.
That looks sick. So, what am I driving back is the question.
You might be driving the new Z06 back. We gotta go take the.
You got problems, bro.
We need it for our fleet.
Yes.
We're gonna educate everybody what's going on.
Yes, this is not just.
This is not. Yeah.
Yeah. I guess we are officially announcing the journey of, what are you calling it? Modified performance to the next level.
That's.
Oh, see, kind of
It'll
gay.
be next level in modified performance.
Okay, well,
But you guys will see the new building and what exactly we are doing.
craziness.
Yeah. But first, we gotta spend some more money.
Dude, the next couple weeks are going to be like you sell drugs, like your cartel.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Problem is we're running out of space to store these cars.
yeah, I have a parking spot inside my house.
Well,
There you go.
yeah, I know.
We need the building.
Yeah, well, we're in escrow, so can't do anything yet.
Well, all right. Well, this is what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
So you're recording right now. Hey, FedEx call? Negative. Serious.
Well, he
I was
just...
boxing left and right too. Yeah. You're recording right now.
Yeah.
He went back,
Yeah.
back, 3D. No problem. What's up?
Oh, it's dangerous.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Oh, you're so dangerous.
Get him!
You're so sick. Whoa, boy.
Sorry, you want me or not?
He's just mad because you're nice. Big ass head, boy. Big ass head, boy. Okay, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow because
see you tomorrow.
banks take forever.
Man, I don't got time to wait for this shit.
All right. Bye.
Okay, bye.